What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing the Master Officer from Squid Game Season 3 and I want you to stick around till the end to see the 1 minute and 10-second speed challenge. Let's begin today's lesson on the top center page and draw a large oval for the mask. We'll start from the very top in the middle. Start with the left side, going all the way around. Come down and just bend that back in toward the center. Go back up towards the top and draw on the right side. Going all the way around, down, and then in. Along the top half of the mask, we're going to draw a large square. Let's start with a straight line going across the top. Come all the way down the sides. And we'll flatten off the bottom of the square. Let's trace that square along the inside. Let's move down and draw a curve for that trim, starting over on the left. Curve this underneath that square, and then up. Let's step down and draw that again. Let's add a thick trim coming down the center, leaving a gap in the middle. Start with the left side, coming down, move over towards the right. Let's draw on the collar. Over on the left side, bend this in and then down, and then up towards the right side. Now I want to draw the outside of the head. From the center, let's move up, curve around the mask, come down the side, and add a fold, coming in towards the collar, go back up to the top, and go around the right side. Let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Over on the left, bend this out and then down towards the hip, go to the right side, do the same thing, and we'll curve the bottom along the bottom of the belt, step up and draw that again. Let's add that thick zipper in the center. From that center point, step over towards the left, draw one line coming down, draw one more over on the right. Now on the right side, we're going to add a square for the pocket. Let's move to the center, draw the flap. Now I'm going to add that ring. Start with a half circle, draw that again. Let's go to the center of the belt, draw two lines for the buckle, go out to the side, draw two more lines for the belt loops. Now we're going to go back to the buckle, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll curve the bottom of the feet, starting from the left heel, going down and then up. Let's go back to the left side. Draw the top of the foot, going up, bend this down, and then just curl that up towards the inside of the leg. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips, draw the outside leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's go back to the bottom of the foot. We're going to add a thick sole, so we're going to take this curve, step up, and trace it across on both sides. Let's add a pocket on the side of the legs, coming in, down, and then back out. Let's add a pouch along the hip, from the top of the belt, going out, down, and then back in, and then line it up on the right side. Now let's move up along the side of the body, draw the inside of the arms, going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, add a small half circle for the thumb, and then close that off with a bracket. Now I want to add three fingers on either side. Start from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and up around that bracket. Go to the side, add in the second finger, and then one more time, blending this in towards the arm and going up underneath the head. Let's go back and separate the cuff, starting from the top of the thumb, then it's up and then out on both sides. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Masked Officer from Squid Game Season 3, and now I'm going to try drawing this character in under 1 minute. I want to keep the details very simple. I'm not looking to capture every exact curve of the character, but just the general shapes of the face and the body. My goal is to focus only on the parts that make this character unique, which is the mask and the square. And then I'll add the same signature color palette to make it more recognizable. And now I'm going to try to draw the same thing in under 10 seconds. And if you enjoyed today's lesson and challenge, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.